Hello, so I'm creating this video to try to show you how to use your own LLM and save credits in CraftRPG. So what you do is you go to the website, you hit export CDF, it'll download your workspace.zip, you go to your download folder, you unpack the zip, which I've already done. Then you go to your LM Studio, you navigate to your models. If I'm going too fast, just give it a pause or slow it down by 50%. Then you go to whatever model you want to use. In my case, I use this model. Then you go to load model. It'll ask you what context length you want to choose. This will depend upon your hardware. I prefer to use 100,000 context length. You let the model load. Once the model loads, you'll want to open up PowerShell, which you'll have to install by yourself. Googling PowerShell will bring it up. Then you'll want to type in cd tilde slash downloads slash workspace. Hit enter. It'll navigate to your username and workspace folder. Then you'll want to type in OpenCode in my case, because I use OpenCode. Hit enter. It'll bring you up to the web page. Verify all files connect with one another. In my case, I'm just trying to verify my world. So hit enter and it will run its thing. This is checking your workspace folder in your downloads, and it's verifying that everything is intact. If you want to create a location, you could go into detail and describe your location. The same goes with characters. The same goes with combat systems or damage or any number of things. Anything you can do with Orbit, you can do with this. However, it is definitively not as smart as Orbit or any of the big models. But you can save credits in trying to do this or in building the small parts of your world so that when you go to Orbit, it will provide a more, I don't know, optimized experience for your credit usage. It'll take a while. It's a lot slower than the bigger models. While that's running, there is various models you can run from Gamma 4 to Nemron. A lot of them are sometimes user modified. If it has a little green checkbox, it's showing that the model is a verified author. If it has a I, it's showing that the model can process image outputs. If it has a hammer, it's showing the model has been trained for tool usage. And if it has a brain, it's showing the model supports reasoning. A lot of these models have not been updated in nearly 100 days. I'm using the model that I'm using because it was updated 1 day ago. And it supports the amount of RAM that I have and hardware that I have. If you Google a lot of these models, Google can tell you, or Claude or ChatGPT can tell you what a lot of these models do. In my case, the fixes are done. I'm going to hit yes to apply the fixes. And that's pretty much it. It's just letting your local LLM correct what needs to be created. And yeah, if you want any other videos, just let me know. This is obviously not professionally done, and I apologize for that. My job makes it so that I can't create a whole lot of videos. But please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.